I made YouTube shorts for 30 days straight on a completely new YouTube channel, and here's how it went. With the rise of TikTok, a lot of platforms started pushing out their short format videos and rewarded people that made them by pushing their videos to a bigger audience. And YouTube is no exception. With the release of the new short function last year, YouTube is trying to gain a bigger audience and making viewers with the 30-second shorts format. And for that, YouTube is in some way or another rewarding channels by not only spreading their content further, but also changing their YouTube partner program routes by allowing short channels to participate if they gain 1,000 subscribers, and instead of the regular 4,000 watch hours, gaining 10 million views on their short. I'm not gonna talk about how difficult it is to reach those requirements, because I myself am pretty far from those numbers, but instead I wanted to see for myself how far you really can go with posting shorts for 30 days straight. For that, I used the new channel and filmed a bunch of shorts to be able to maintain a regular uploading schedule. As someone who has more or less no experience in those short formats and not having really made any TikToks or Reels, making funny short videos is extremely difficult for me. That's why instead of trying to learn some viral dances or attempt to do some other now trending formats, I decided to make something simple and repetitive. Just like with a normal YouTube channel and choosing a niche, I thought it would be easier to gain new subscribers if you made one thing that people could recognize and want to see more of it. For that reason, I decided to make my shorts about anime names being pronounced in German. This is a format that I saw other people make and that I could easily remake myself. Even though I must confess that I don't sound angry when speaking German, so it's probably not as interesting to watch as how other people approach this topic. I just couldn't bring myself to give in to those stereotypes. I mean, German is not that aggressive sounding, at least not in my opinion. Still, I started to see an increase in views right away. And I noticed that depending on the time that I published my shorts, I had significantly many views or very little. And not surprisingly, but I gained many German viewers, so the best time to upload for me was around 8 to 10 p.m. German time. That's the time that probably most of us are just at home and looking at our phones, so yeah, like I said, no surprise. But let's see how my analytics looked after 30 days. You can see a clear line at the beginning and the end where I haven't posted you, and a decrease between shorts part 14 and 15 since I made a break of one day to make more videos. All in all, I got 14,665 views and was recommended to more than 50,000 feeds. I made 61 new subscribers in those 30 days. That's not a high number, but if I look at my main channel, where it took me almost 1 year to reach 100 subscribers, that's a major improvement. I guess if my shorts were a bit more interesting to watch or informative, more people would have stayed to watch it, so I only got a score of 26%, so there's definitely room for improvement. I'm gonna continue making those kinds of shorts and probably some related kinds, just to see how they will perform in the future. I will also probably use this channel to make videos that don't really fit with my main channel, so if you're interested in following along, feel free to subscribe. I hope this was interesting to watch. If so, please leave a like or comment if you had a different experience with posting shorts, and I will see you all next week. Ciao!